Hello, everybody, all nature lovers and animal lovers. Here we are with the information of pangolin. It's a very interesting and cute animal. Of course, it is found in India also. But before proceeding in the information, here I am going to tell about Bhau Katdare. He is a nature lover and an eminent activist. He has won many honors and awards for substantial contribution towards the protection and conservation of various endangered species. Since 1992, he has striven through Sahyadri Nisarga Mitra organization, Chiploon, to make the concept of conservation of nature through livelihood a reality. Now friends, let's get familiar with pangolin fact sheet. First, Indian pangolin is included in Schedule 1 as per Indian Wildlife Protection Act 1972. That means they enjoy the same protection that tigers do. Second fact, they are included in the Red List of Endangered Species published by International Union for Conservation of Nature, that is IUCN. Third, this is the only mammal to have scales on the body. The scales are made of a protein called keratin. Our nails, hair, a rhino's horn all consist of keratin. The scales on a pangolin's body comprise as much as 20% of its total body weight. Fourth fact, pangolin scales are used in Chinese medicine and are in great demand. That has given rise to international smuggling of pangolin scales. However, it has been proven in many researches that keratin has no medicinal properties. Fifth, Indian pangolins weigh from 10 to 20 kgs. Females are smaller than the males. Their total length is 60 to 75 centimeter and the tail is 40 to 45 centimeter long. One pangolin eats up as many as 7 crore ants or termites in a year. Even tigers and lions find it difficult to crack or eat a pangolin that has curled itself into a tight ball. Next fact, a pangolin uses its strong claws and tail to climb up a tree. Last fact, pangolins have a weak eyesight but a strong sense of smell. Pangolin's home is a snug hole in the earth. Friends, this was the information and fact sheet about pangolin. Pangolins are extincting day by day and it's our duty to save pangolin. So friends, save nature, save animals, save wildlife and save our earth.